Hey guys, so today I have got the Twisted Allure box for August to show you. If you saw my last Twisted Allure video, it was one that I had to refilm because I deleted it by accident. So I didn't have the box or like the little bits inside it, I just had the items to show you again. This time I do have the box. For anyone that hasn't seen me open it before, it's an American box and it's $55. They do ship it all over the world, but the postage is quite expensive. I'm just throwing that out there now because people say it every time. I have a discount code for 5% off, which is LunaLily, so I'll put that here on the screen now and put it down below as well. But we are just going to open this. I haven't seen what is in here yet. I'm very excited. I don't know the theme, anything like that, but I always love Twisted Allure boxes. So let's have a see what is in here. So this is what I see right on the top. And the colours for this month are red, purple and black, it seems. So I'm going to move these out of the way. Okay, so the theme for the August box is Creepy Carnival, which sounds amazing. Absolutely love that theme. Definitely my kind of thing. It does have on the back what is in the box, but we're not going to go off that. I'm just going to show you. So there is that. Then we have our little business card. So this is them, and that is their information, which I'll write down below in case you want it. And on here we've got a little sample soap of a Halloween trick-or-treat soap. So let's have a see. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells kind of like a cupcake, but pumpkin. So like a pumpkin buttercream sort of scent, I would say. Absolutely amazing. So that is our little skull sample soap that we've got on there. And then we get to our items down here. So the first one right on the top is a bath bomb. It kind of seems like you always get a bath bomb in these, I've sort of figured out. Sometimes you get different things like a sugar scrub or a whipped soap or a bubble bath or a body spray, but you always seem to get a bath bomb. So this one is Creepy Carnival Corn and the scent is kettle corn. And I could have told you that before I even unwrapped this because I can smell popcorn so strongly right now. This smells exactly like I'm sat in the cinema eating sweet popcorn. It smells amazing. And it is absolutely huge as well. Like, that is ginormous. You could definitely break that into two for 2 baths if you wanted to. See, it's popcorn on the front. So cute. It's kind of giving me Beetlejuice vibes. I think it's the stripes. Smells incredible. So that is our first little creepy popcorn bath bomb. Then next we have a Creepy Carnival body wash in the scent Lemonade. Love the design on this. Very cute. Creepy. Little clown. Live, die, haunt, it says. And as always, it's got a little pop-up lid, so it's super easy to use in the shower. But these are sealed, so I'm gonna just open it to smell it. It does smell really good and it smells kind of lemonade-y, but I've got to be honest and say I think that's maybe my least favourite Twisted Allure scent that I've had so far, just because to me sometimes lemon things can smell a little bit like cleaning products. So like kitchen spray and stuff, they're always lemon scented over here usually. So it's not my favourite. Will I use it? 100% yes. It still smells amazing, but I wouldn't choose to buy this one on its own. I'm just going to be brutally honest because I'm honest with all of the subscriptions, so I'm going to be honest with this one as well, even though I absolutely love it. My least favourite Twisted Allure scent that I've had. However, I have had about 40 other items and they've all been incredible, so still love it, just not my favourite. So there is that. Then we have these, which are Ringmaster bath salts in the scent Cherry Ice. Absolutely love cherry scented things, so I'm very excited. Pretty big bottle as well, I would say. Definitely a good few baths in there. Wow, that is so strong scented. Definitely smells exactly how you would expect it to. I'm not sure if in other countries they do this, but in the cinema we have like a slushy kind of thing here, like Fanta Ice Blasts, and the cherry scent smells just like this. Yeah, absolutely love it. Amazing. So that is our bath salts. They're really scented as well, like super strong. So when they melt in the bath, I would assume you could still smell that because it's so strong. So there is those. And then we have 2 items left. So we've got a sugar scrub, and this one is called Unfun House, and it's vanilla waffle cone scented, which sounds amazing. It's got very cute little lollipop and pumpkin designs around it. And this is what it looks like. It's pink and purple, or kind of like a red and purple actually. Sometimes, I'm not even joking, when I smell these I literally just want to go like, it smells so good. That reminds me of the Peeps moisturizer from the Easter collection that she did. Very marshmallowy, vanilla-y kind of scent. Absolutely love it. Probably my favourite item in here so far, I would say. And then the last thing I've got, which I've just seen what it is, and I'm not sure if maybe this is going to be my favourite item now, is Cotton Candy Killer Body Lotion in the scent Cotton Candy. Love the design of this, and I absolutely love candy floss or cotton candy. So excited. Oh, it smells amazing. I would say marshmallow is my top scent for like body things, but cotton candy is next. Smells absolutely incredible. I can't wait to use it. These body lotions are thinner than the body butters that she does, but I kind of like that. It's still thick enough, it's not runny by any means, but the body butters are definitely more for if you've got dry skin, I would say, and the body lotions are more like a daily kind of thing. Smells amazing. So that is everything in the August Creepy Carnival box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we've got the Unfun House Vanilla Waffle Cone Sugar Scrub, the Creepy Carnival Lemonade Body Wash, the Ringmaster Cherry Ice Bath Salts, the Cotton Candy Killer Candy Floss Scented Body Lotion, and the Creepy Carnival Corn Kettle Corn Bath Bomb. So all of these things in the August Twisted Allure box. Absolutely loved this one. I love the theme of this one. The graphics on everything are so cute. My favourite items are 100% the Vanilla Waffle Cone Scrub and the Candy Floss Body Lotion. I will be using those straight away. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, if you liked it or not, or if you've had anything from her before and stuff. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.